Okay, here we go. Gee whiz, I don't know if you can see them. There's a blueberry, 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 and here's another peach tree. But this is what we came to see, huh? The corn area. So these are my 2 holes that I'm going to use for corn. I'm going to backfill it with compost and wood chips for mulch, and hope for the best. Now here are 25 seedlings that I put in, and in between the seedlings I put actual seeds. So we'll see what happens. I put the wood chips on top, shredded wood pet bedding, because it helps absorb the water and keep the corn the same temperature, and it doesn't let the moisture out as quickly as it would without it.